I would highly recommend this unit. Like I said, it can be worn glueless. It does have the drawstring in the back, which y'all know is my favorite. I rave about drawstrings all the time because it just makes your unit feel extra secure. So we love that. Okay, y'all, so I have on the unit. So this is the lace on here. This unit can be worn glueless. It does have the drawstring, which y'all know that's one of my favorite features. I've never had a bob unit with a drawstring, so this wig feels nice and secure. I love that. I told y'all before that if I had the option to choose a drawstring with all of my units, I would do it because that's just how comfortable the unit feels. Now, they don't want me to cut this unit, but y'all know with a unit like this, I would definitely cut it into my short bob. This is a yaki unit, so the bobs will look extremely natural. This is the parting space on the unit, which is a lot of parting space. But like I said, because they want me to keep the unit long, I'm going to probably go with something on the side like this. I'm also going to show you guys how I do my baby hairs on this unit. It's not really called baby hairs to me, but it's just a way that I like to cover up my lace. So I would usually just take a spoolie. I will pull some small hairs out like this. Y'all know this isn't a full frontal. This one is a 7x5, so the lace stops from here to here, which is still a good amount of lace. So I pull really small amounts of hair out. And then I take some spray, any type of spray, hairspray, whatever you want to do. And then I rub it on the front, right? Like this. Sometimes it wipes off my makeup, but it's okay. And then I'm gonna take eyebrow archer, and then I just kind of cut that up and then just kind of lay it across like that. So just like this, right? And just cut it, and then you can get some more of that hairspray on your finger and kind of just lay it across like that. And you don't want it to be too neat, you know? That's the best way I could describe it. But yeah, that's how I do it. And then if you want to, you can just tie it back down. But yeah, that's how I do it. So y'all see how it is? Like that. I'll just go in and just clip. Piece. So yeah, that's how I do it. That's how I get that little look that I like to do that you guys are always asking about. And then you have kind of like a little natural looking hairline. So again, they don't want me to cut this unit. If I wanted to do like a little flip over, I can do this. I love units like this because they're just so playful and cute. So I was thinking about maybe just putting a few curls in it, and let's just see how we like that. So let's get started. And this is what we have with the longer bob. If you guys are into this look, it's still really cute, but y'all know me, I would do a middle part cut short, but this is still really nice. I love the texture of this hair, and like I said, it looks very natural, so we love that. The lace on it, the parting space, everything is perfect. So if you guys are interested in this unit, I'll have all the information along with the discount code in the description box below.